Pretty cool.
You want to help kick off my New Year's Eve?
You want help?
Yeah.
I'm so tired.
This is New Year's Eve. What do we call it? New Year's Eve 2023 or 24?
24.
New Year's Eve. We are on the eve of the new year of 2024 in Saigon, Vietnam. And wow, me and the people here, we have the best seats in the house.
Absolutely the best view.
For a phenomenal fireworks show. Cheers. As we say in Tien Viet, the Vietnamese language, Mo Hai Bai Yo. That's how we do the cheers. So I'm gonna walk over to the window now because these fireworks are about to pop
Are you about to be insane?
off. They are about to be insane. So let me give you a view through the window here. And just look at the crowd that is assembled at the Bac Dang Wharf and the riverfront in Saigon, in Ho Chi Minh City. It is, wow. I was here last year, and I dropped a video last year of New Year's Eve on the eve of 2023. And the crowds were thick. But wow, this is like, it is neck to neck out there. It is like assholes to elbows. And I'm at the club lounge. Right now I'm at the club lounge of the Renaissance Riverside Hotel, which has the best view of the fireworks. And what I realized is that I can't hear the countdown. But I have this, this copy watch and a mega dark side of the moon that keeps time very accurately. So I think I have a very precise assessment of time. And here we go. Here we go. So we'll do it. 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! So here goes the fireworks show. It is a pretty fantastic display, not only because of the fireworks, but if you've ever watched fireworks on any kind of waterfront, waterway, I've done this in San Diego, I've done this in other cities where the fireworks are being sent off from a riverside or a waterfront. You not only get the visuals of the fireworks themselves, but the reflection off the water. I mean, it's just majestic to look at. And we're gonna watch the fireworks here for a few minutes. They're gonna go on for 15 minutes. So you'll be with me for the next 15 minutes as we watch these fireworks go off on the Saigon River. In a few minutes, we'll make our way down via the elevator to the Riverside, into that crowd, and out into the waterfront. I mean, this is just gorgeous. The lights of Saigon themselves are a fireworks show without setting off pyrotechnics. When you add this fireworks show to it, it just becomes like, you're just awestruck. Not only by the fireworks, but look at the number of people. Holy crap. What's also awesome to look at are everyone with their cell phones out taking the same picture of the same event that we could get from Google tomorrow. Look at Randy and gang, what do we think?
Amazing.
Amazing, isn't it?
Awesome, pure quality.
Right? Not only the fireworks. Yeah, not only the fireworks, but the reflection off the water.
Yeah.
Isn't that glamorous?
It is.
That is amazing.
Wow. And I cannot believe the rooftop of this hotel is like crowded with people who cannot see the fireworks at all. We, like this thin crowd, basically has this whole club lounge to ourselves. This is just awesome.
This is amazing.
Isn't it Fantastic.
Fantastico.
What does everybody think of the fireworks? Fantastic, right? And you're welcome. I killed the light for you, so no reflection.
And I appreciate that for that gesture.
All right, I'm gonna head down to the street. I'll see you all at breakfast tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, this is just, look at this. These are the best front row seats to the Saigon fireworks. Look at the lovely staff here at the Renaissance Riverside Hotel. Can we do it? Happy New Year on 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy New Year! Okay, Gap Lai Sao. I'm gonna go down to the street and show everyone the fireworks in real life. All right, we're gonna take a few minute detour here. And as we do, I'm gonna give a little plug to Rayhan as I wait for the elevator and his artwork. We'll get back to the fireworks in just a second. But check out this guy's artwork, man. They're photographs that look like paintings. Amazing. Yeah, I'm beside myself. The rooftop of this hotel has a party where they sold tickets for 700,000 VNDs. And that's like 28 US dollars. But the problem is that some guy named Kong bought out all the tables on the front row. So Kong and his friends are the only ones upstairs at the party who have an actual view of the fireworks. Everyone else at the party who paid $28 a head can't see anything but the back of the heads of Kong and his friends. And this club lounge view is just incredible. All right, here we go into the elevator. We're headed down. We got a crowd in here with us. I'll keep them off camera. I'm doing a YouTube stream, but I'll keep everyone off of the camera.
All right.
I started watching the fireworks show from the club lounge.
It's okay, we're 16.
Oh.
Jesus.
Oh, wow.
You missed 16.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, yeah, you got it. You missed it.
Get down at 10.
Yeah. You're going to have to get off on 10 and go up.
Happy New Year to all.
All right, 1, 2, 3. Happy New Year! There we go. We got the festive spirit going. Everyone going down to watch the fireworks from the front?
Let's go to the windows. Room
Oh,
windows.
oh, okay. I was just in the club lounge. That's the best one.
Oh.
Everyone at the rooftop. The club lounge is the best one. If you want to see the fireworks, the club lounge has a thin crowd. Certainly the best view. Everyone that went to that rooftop, they paid like 28 USD to get in there. And some guy named Kong bought out all the tables in the front. So if you're not Kong and his friends, all you're going to see is the back of Kong's head. Waste of money. But the club lounge had like a thin crowd. You could go up there now. Yeah, you can go up there now and like still see the fireworks crystal clear.
Which one? Which floor is it? Is it
18.
18.
Yeah, and I mean the crowd's still pretty thin there. I thought it'd be crowded.
Yeah.
I thought it would be totally crowded.
By the time we get back up to 18th floor, it's gonna be.
Well, we got 15 minutes.
It takes about 20 minutes to.
I started my YouTube up at the club lounge, and I know the fireworks go on for 15 minutes, so we still have about 9-10 minutes. All right, now we're we're out of the elevator, going through the grandiose lobby of the Renaissance Riverside here, and holy shit, look at the crowd that has assembled. Holy shit, look at the crowd that has assembled here in Saigon at the Riverside. I'll give you a view of the fireworks again as I fight my way through this crowd. You know, here in Vietnam, people are pretty small. I'm a relatively loud, relatively large American guy, so I think I could fight my way through this without much of an issue. Look at these crowds. Let me cut through the trees here. Let me cut through the trees. See if I can get us a better view of this fireworks show. I'm going through the bushes. Ladies and gentlemen, this is New Year's Eve of 2024. We're all 1 year older. We all have 1 year more of problems under our belt. 1 more year of stress. 1 more year of mental baggage. 1 more year of relationship problems. But in this one moment of the year, under the lights of this spectacular fireworks show, we all seem to forget that for at least 15 minutes. Let me just show you the layout of the ground here. Look at the crowds, look at the people. Vietnam comes to life like no other country I have ever seen. Vietnam, Saigon especially, comes to life like no other country I have ever seen. Okay, it is 12:10 and the fireworks are supposed to go on for 15 minutes. According to my copy Omega Dark Side of the Moon, we still have 5 minutes of the fireworks show. So let me just show you some of the crowd here. Let me do the reverse shot. Everyone has jobs, everyone has problems, everyone has relationship and family grievances. But for this one moment of the night, everyone is just awestruck by this celebration of life, and I might say economic development of this country. It is now 12:10. So I believe we have about 3 minutes more of this fireworks show, right? 15 minutes? So let's see. I think for the rest of the fireworks show, I'm just gonna let you enjoy the pyrotechnics, and I'll get back to you after a word from our sponsor here. Pardon my French. Hi, ladies. 1, 2, 3. Happy New Year. 1, 2, 3.
Happy New Year! 2022.
What do we think? Good fireworks show?
Yeah! So beautiful!
All right. That's going to do it for the pyrotechnics. Now I'm trying to front run the crowd. Vietnamese people love to cut in line. They love to cut in front of you. They love to cut you off. So I'm going to try to be Vietnamese right now and try to front run this whole crowd back to the security, certainty, and safety of my hotel room. I'm running through the hedges right now. Everyone else has to get on their motorbikes. I had the wherewithal to book this room at the Renaissance and have a place where I can escape to a haven of civility as this mass exodus happens. Look at this. 5 seconds after the fireworks show ends, it is a mass exodus from this area. Happy New Year. Okay. Fellas, thank you for your work. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. All right, here we go. I got about 50 feet to go until I am back into the confines of the Renaissance. These are, apparently in Hanoi, there's been a problem with stampeding crowds where people are dying fleeing events like this. So hoping nothing like that happens. About 20 feet left. None of these people are checked into the hotel, so I know in about 20 feet I will enter an envelope of air conditioning and hospitality where I can wrap this video up. That was cool though, I gotta say. I've seen fireworks shows in my life and I've seen fireworks shows, and that was a fireworks show. Let me get to a quiet place here in the lobby. Ready? You wanna do Happy New Year with me?
Yeah, Happy New Year's!
1, 2, 3.
Happy New Year!
Ready? The whole staff.
Happy
You heard it from me, and you heard it from the staff of the Renaissance Riverside Hotel here in Saigon. It is now 2024. If you've not already, hit the subscribe and like buttons, and I will see you later. In Tien Viet, get fly sell.